Hey, being on a smaller go-to-market team isn't always fun and games, but having the right plays can always keep you a step ahead.
This series breaks down how to handle real go-to-market moments inside Accoil, fast, focused, and built to surface product signals that can drive your next move.
Hi everyone, I'm Peter.
And I'm Kate.
Today we are going after what you may consider the holy grail of SaaS, that is turning trials into paying customers.
Now I know what you're all thinking, easier said than done.
Yeah, but with the right plays inside of Accoil especially, it's not just doable, it's game-changing.
So let's show you how. So it's really handy on a Monday morning. You can come in and literally look down your list and see, okay, this is where I need to get started. And then I think the other nice thing is you can also then pipe your signals to the tools where you work. So letting your team know, for example, that you've got a trialer that's actually been using a lot. They look like a very good prospect and your sales team might want to take a look. This gives you the opportunity to be able to connect and communicate with your teams quickly and easily by piping the data. So what we're talking about here is being able to understand what your trialers are doing so that you can focus on the ones that you think are more likely to convert and put your time and your energy there. It's really hard when you've got lots of evaluations and lots of trials happening to know where to prioritize and where to focus. So this, with engagement scores and activation and giving you real-time data, allows you to see who's doing well, who's not, so that you can then take action. If we look here, we've got one that's doing very well, looks to be working it a lot. So you can see that Lynn Bowman, of all of them that are trialing, it's Lynn Bowman who's actually utilising and trialing the product and probably getting value. So just by that very nature of knowing who's doing well, who's not, you can prioritise, work faster, work better, and probably make a better impact.